Don't eat that. Na ole, don't drink it. Okay, so all a would be drink it. Na whole a, don't drink it.
I say it's poisonous.
Tasha nivnach. Okay. So I think we're gonna maybe do this. Actually, what do we have here? Let's do a little bit more here. Okay. Deach she erin bibera.
He looked at the pipe.
Okay. So Deach she erin bibera. Okay. Deach she, he looked, erin bibera. He looked at the piper in Irish on the piper. Okay? So like we had Aaron Var on the man, Aaron Man on the woman, Aaron Bibera on the piper. Okay? How about he looked at me? Deach she orem. Okay, orem. Okay? A fibera sheshen. Inish doing kenchi a guritu and ruig and a franki. So, right. Okay, that one. So, starts off a fibera. Okay. Says O piper or piper. Okay. Sheshen. See. Inish doing kenchi agaritu and ruig erna franki. So inish doing inish okay, it means island, but it also means to tell. The word inish is tell. So inish and use da with it. So inish doing tell us doing. How would you say tell me? Inish dom. Okay, how would you say tell him? Do. And tell her? Inish G. Okay? If you want to say I told him, Dinish me do. Dinish. Told I to him, Dinish me do. Okay, so the inish is the word to tell.
So is that in command form?
Yeah, inish doing is a command. So tell us. Okay, a fibra. Inish doing can he okay, a guri to and ruig
How are you going to chase
and a franki.
the rats?
Okay. So can he how a guri to. So when you use can he meaning how will something happen, you have to eclipse. Can he a guri to and ruig driving off on the franki. So how are you going to drive off?
He led him away, he didn't drive him.
What's good? Drive?
No, kurd and ruig is to put the ruig on someone. So how are you going to put the ruig on them? How are you going to drive them off?
Drive them away.
Kurd means put.
I'll put you, the ruig on the.
Yes. So to put the ruig is the, right. Okay?
They followed in the sea and the ocean or something.
I can't remember that part.
Okay. Tamila punt wem herdus arsa and pibera.
Tamila.
You have
1,000?
1,000 pounds.
Yep, 1,000 pounds. Mila punt.
I need 1,000 pounds.
Okay.
There,
Mila punt wem.
I want 1,000 pounds.
So I want 1,000 pounds. So there's 1,000 pounds from me means I want 1,000 pounds. Okay. Tamila punt wem erdus means at first. Okay, or first. Okay. Ersa and Tibera.
Said the piper.
Okay, Ersa and Tibera. Punt. Okay. And Shin in Shoymedich.
Shin then.
Then, okay, and Shin in Shoymedich.
There.
Okay?
Then I'll tell you.
Then I will tell you, in Shoyme is the future of Inish. It's one of those long verbs we talked about before because Inish has two syllables. The plural's in Shoy, the future's in Shoy, Medich, I will tell you. And is ditch one person or more than one person? One person. So he's talking to the mayor, right? In Shoy Medich. Okay? So, okay, so we'll do two more times, we're done. Okay, Mila Punt,
No,
1,000 pounds, Arsa and Mera.
there.
Okay, and then he says, let me write down.
What level of reading is this?
This is not too bad, it's a grade
First
school one.
grade.
It's actually, no, it's harder than, this is harder than the first grade books. Probably, my guess is like,
Third or fourth.
I think that's fourth grade.
yeah, we'll get it figured out, but
Oh, good.
anyways, Mila Punt, Arsa and Mera, Turmij, Pega Mila Punt Ditch, Makurantu and Ruig and Franki. Turmij, okay,
Give me.
so Turmij,
Oh, Tour, yeah.
okay,
Give me. No, we give.
Portage, give me.
We'll-
Give
okay, Turmij, okay,
We give.
oops, I think something's wrong here.
Which would be us.
What did I forget?
We shall give, we will give.
Here we are,
Oh, we can give.
and I couldn't write it, okay. Yeah, this pen died in there.
So it's either we give or give us.
No, we shall.
There we go,
We'll
that's
give.
Okay, Quega
Great.
Mila Punt
Five,
Ditch.
5,000?
Quega, not 5.
50,000
Okay, 50,000
pounds to be.
pounds. Okay, ditch. Machurentu and Ruig and a Frankie. Machurentu
You get rid of the rest.
and Ruig
You drive away the rest.
and a Frankie.
What's money? Well, that's to put the curve.
Okay, so Turamage is tur the someone is to give something to someone. So Turamage ditch means we will give you. Turamage we will give you. Quega Mila Punt, 50,000 pounds. Ma means if.
Yeah.
And Machuren literally means if you put the ruig on them, but it means if you will drive them on. Okay, drive. Okay, so the word ma meaning if, you use the present tense of the verb, and that means will do. Okay, that's the way you say the future. It's kind of a strange construction. Okay, Machuren too, if you put the ruig on the brass. Okay.
Like a shilling to the right.
And then his answer is, he says, Biach in a warga, Ursa and Pibara. Biach in a warga, Ursa and Pibara. Biach in a warga means let it be in its market or a deal. Okay?
It's a deal.
So to be in its market, marga is a market. Marga. Biach in a warga, let it be, biach is let it be in a warga, let it be in its market, let it be a deal. Okay? It's a deal. So use the word marga to talk about that in different kinds of constructions, to talk about having a deal and an agreement on that, okay? Also the word, related word which is good to know is Olwarga, the supermarket.
Oh, yeah, old market.
Ol has kind of giant, so Olwarga, supermarket, okay? And then that's probably a good break here. What we'll do before we take the actual break though is we'll pass around the bingo games and do one round. I did remember the bingo games. Okay.